Just add 4 more? 4 more? That's a lot. Where's my simple borscht? It's coming, it's on its way. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have. It might not look the best, but my love, my blood, tears, and sweat, and my love are. Oh, hurry up, they saw. Okay, now it's starting to kind of look like it. That looks good. Let's get a bowl. Let's get a bowl and let's not break the bowl. Just a suggestion, chef, but maybe you should learn the recipes you already have before getting more. Are you questioning me? Are you questioning me? I am the head chef in this kitchen, and I will make recipes whenever I want. And if you are going to question my methods, you can get the hell out of this kitchen! You wanna stay? Then where's my wee chef?